Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Ask Java series. In this video, we'll see what is static block in Java. So basically, static blocks are used to initialize static variables. In the last videos, we have seen what are static variables. So basically, variables that are common throughout all the objects, we make it static. And the block that is used to initialize these variables is called a static block. So suppose we have a class named student, and in this we have a static variable, let's say school name. So we write it as static string school name, and we want to initialize this variable, then we do it in the static block. So static block goes like this, where we assign the value to the school name, and then we can simply print the value of the school name. So basically, static block is something which is used to initialize static variables, and it is executed when the class is loaded into the memory. So it's not executed when objects are created, or the way constructors are called. It is loaded only once while class loads into the memory. Now there can be multiple static blocks in one class, and they are executed in the order in which they are created. So you can have multiple static blocks as well. Now you might think, what is the purpose of static block? We can simply assign the value to the variable, right? Then why do we need static blocks? So basically there are two reasons. First, as we discussed, it executes only once when the class is loaded into the memory, so it gives the benefit. So it does not get initialized every time, so that is one advantage. And secondly, whenever we have some complex initializations, let's say for example, we have a hash map or we have a list. So let's take hash map of initials, where we are going to put key as the initials and the name of the person. So if you want to initialize this particular hash map, then we can do it in static block. So this is like, so we can put the initial key value in the static block this way. So that is the main purpose of static block. One more example could be, suppose we have an array of 100 numbers and we want to initialize this array, like we want to put 100 random numbers in this array. Then instead of doing it in a particular method which will be called again and again, we're going to do it in a static block. So it will be executed only once. And in this static block, we can simply write a for loop and put 100 numbers in the array. So basically we are initializing this particular array with 100 random numbers in static block. Since it is going to be executed only once, it is going to give us the benefit of performance. So that is the purpose of static block, guys. If you have any questions, please mention them in the comment section below. And in the upcoming videos, we'll learn more about static variables, static blocks, and more concepts in Java. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel, and also like and share this video. Thank you.